Hey everybody. Okay, I'm out in my garage here. This is one of the other skidoos I'm working on. It's like a 78 Blizzard. Not exactly sure what size it is. It was kind of pieces when I got it. Not exactly sure on this. It was just given to me, a buddy of mine, and I've been doing a little bit of work to it. I got the tank all back in there. Haven't got the hood strapped down yet though. Don't got much luck with hoods, me. But I replaced some of the gas line. I put new spark plugs in it, and done a little bit of work to it. I'm going to fire this one up here for you in a minute. Hopefully it'll fire up. I don't see why it won't. The only problem is I've got no kill switch, so I gotta cover the carburetors. But anyways, yes. I'll try to find out a little more on this. I haven't really looked at it that much, but there isn't any numbers on it anywhere stating what size it is. So all we got is a motor, a Rotax twin, liquid cooled. But yeah, I'll do a fire up on this one here in a minute. That one's just about ready too. I just got to mount the hood, figure out a way of shutting it down, and fix the one bogie in the back there that's the bearing's gone in it. I got a new bogie, I just got to replace it. Then this one's ready for the snow too. Whew. Oil's been hasn't run for a while, so the oil's kind of settled out of the gas. Whew. Gotta like them when they're free like that though. This skidoo here, other than a set of spark plugs and a little bit of time, I have no money into it whatsoever. So I got, what, 12 bucks? 12 bucks worth of parts into it so far. Woohoo! Come on, bring on the snow!